People always say you need a lot of money to start dropshipping, expensive ads, big fancy tools, and subscription everywhere. And if you don't have a big budget, you might as well forget about it. But here's the thing, I want to test that idea. What if I stripe it all back? What if I started with nothing almost? Not $99, not even $9, just 99 cents. That's the cost of Doba AI Hub trial. So the challenge is simple. Take the 99 cents, use nothing else they paid, and try to build a full working dropshipping store from scratch. No budget for ads, no budget for software, just the basics. Can it be done? Let's find out. Okay, so before starting the challenge, let's set some ground rules so it's not get messy. I get access to Doba AI Hub for 99 cents. I can't go by paid Shopify teams. I can run Facebook ads, and I can grab a bunch of expensive plugins to make things easier. Everything has to come either from Doba or free tools that anyone could use. The goal is to not make millions in a week. The goal is to see if it's even possible to get started to build a real store and attract traffic some without pouring money into it. And if this works, then it's so you don't need giant budget to at least get your foot in the door. Okay, so the first decision is what I'm selling. Picking a niche is always where people freeze up. Go too broad and your store looks like a flea market. Go too narrow and you're risk picking something nobody wants. So I simply jump into Doba AI Product Finder. This thing scans through tons of supplier and products data and points out what actually trending. I type in a couple of general ideas like fitness gear, kitchen gadgets, and pet products. The AI comes back with a list of products and breaks it down like demand, its competition level, average pricing. That's way better than just scrolling through random supplier catalogs and guessing. And after looking through the options, I noticed something. Pet products keep popping up. And honestly, that makes sense. People love their pets. They spend money on them, and it's not some seasonal niche that disappears after Christmas. So I decided the store is going to be pet focused. That's the niche. Now I can start putting the pieces together. Okay, so now comes the fun part, actually building the store. If you ever try doing this old way school, you know it's brutal. You have to write product description, edit titles, upload images, set up categories. It's hours of boring busy work. But with Doba AI Store Builder, I just drop in my pet products, click generate, and it splits out polished product description, catchy titles, and even a clean, decent layout. And instead of me sitting there trying to think of how to describe a chewy toy without sounding robotic, the AI just handle it. And within minutes, I have got a store that looks clean and professional. By the way, I forgot to mention, if you're on Doba 0.99 cents trial, just note that the store builder feature is not included in the plan. And if you want to use it, you need to pay an extra $1.99, and it's still pretty low cost considering you get a ready to use online store. No paid themes, no extra apps, just the AI doing the heavy lifting. And if I were doing this manually, it would taken me at least couple of days to make everything look this solid. Now having a store is one thing, but people don't just stumble onto your site randomly. You need to get your products in front of people where they already shop. Normally that means going into Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, or TikTok shop and uploading every single product manually, and then copying description, uploading photos, setting prices. It's really a nightmare. But this is where Doba Auto Listener comes in. With one click, I can push my products onto multiple platforms and it keep everything synced. That means I don't risk uploading the wrong description or messing up prices. The same products that are in my Doba store are now sitting inside TikTok shop and Shopify, and of course ready to be seen. And again, I did not spend a single extra dollar to do that. Alright, so here where the challenge gets real. The store is up, products are listed, but how do I actually get people to see this without running ads? So the answer is organic marketing, which basically means creating content on free platforms. So I make a plan. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest. These are all visual platforms and they love product style content. For TikTok, I film some quick clips showing the pet product in action. Nothing fancy, just hands-on demos, a quick pet using them, maybe adding a trending sound. Then I repurpose those same clips for Instagram Reels and Pinterest. That way one piece of content work across 3 platforms. So is it going to viral overnight? Probably not, but organic growth is about consistency. So after a few days of doing this, here's what happened. I started getting some small traction. TikTok videos pick up some views, a couple of followers comes in, and even I saw my first add to cart notification, and that's always the best feeling actually. Now did I suddenly make thousands? The option is of course no, and that's not the point. The point is that for 99 cents I was able to set up a real store, get product listed across multiple platforms, and start getting traffic. If I wanted to take it further, I could add in ads later or reinvest profits into better marketing. But the fact that I could even get to this stage with less than $1 is proof that it's possible to start small. So here's the big takeaway. You don't need to drop thousands of dollars to test dropshipping. You don't need to buy 10 different apps or spend weekly writing product description by hand. With 99 cents and a little effort, you can build a working store, start listing products, and begin driving traffic with free methods. And is this going to replace a full-time job overnight? Absolutely not. But as a launch pad, it works. It gets you moving without the usual excuse of I don't have money to start. 99 cents is all it took. If you want to try this least challenge yourself. The link to Doba is in description. And if you like seeing experiments like that, hit that subscribe button because I have got plenty more videos the way. And if you want to learn more about Doba, then definitely watch this video now. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button too and that like button.